Have you ever dreamed of achieving financial freedom, having enough money to live the life you want? In this video, we will talk about the common mistakes that prevent you from achieving wealth. These mistakes may seem simple, but they make a big difference in your path to financial success. Get ready for a journey in which we will discover together the reasons that prevent people from building wealth and learn how to avoid these common traps. The first mistake is hesitation and fear of investing. The first and biggest mistake that prevents many from reaching wealth is hesitation and fear of investing. Many people are afraid of the idea of risking their money and prefer to keep their money in safe places, such as bank accounts, that give low interest. But this fear can be the biggest obstacle to financial success. Investing is the only way to make your money work for you. Not investing means that you are giving up real opportunities for growth. Rich people know that risk is part of the game, but they learn how to deal with risks through diversification and understanding the market. Practical tips. Start investing with small amounts. Learn the basics from books or educational courses. Invest in areas such as real estate, stocks, or even your personal education. Avoid putting your money in one place. Distribute your investments to reduce risks. Investing is not just one step, but rather a long journey that requires patience and a deep understanding of the areas in which you invest. Mistake 2. Living beyond your means. Many people fall into the trap of living beyond their means. This mistake is very common, especially in our current era, where we have easy access to loans and credit cards. You may find yourself buying things you don't need just because you see others buying them or because you want to live a certain way. But spending money on unnecessary things prevents you from achieving your financial goals. If you are buying the latest phones and fancy clothes, you are withdrawing from your financial balance what could be invested or saved. Practical tips. Monthly budget. Set yourself a monthly budget that controls your daily spending. Reduce expenses. Try to reduce unnecessary things and focus on things that bring you real value. Invest savings instead of spending money on luxuries. Invest in projects or assets that increase in value over time. Living below your means may be difficult at first, but it is one of the secrets of financial success. The wealthy always think about the future and do not waste money in the present moment. The third mistake is neglecting financial planning. One of the biggest mistakes that prevents you from reaching wealth is neglecting financial planning. Many people deal with their financial lives without a clear plan and spend their money randomly without any calculation or goal. This leads to financial chaos. Financial planning is the cornerstone of building wealth without a plan. You do not know how much money you need to save or where to invest it, and how to manage your expenses. Practical advice. Determine your financial goals. Do you want to buy a house? Do you want to retire early? You must know what your goals are so that you can plan to achieve them. Divide your income into parts, such as saving, investing, and daily expenses. Monitor your expenses. Use financial applications that help monitor your monthly financial expenses. Financial planning is what makes you in control of your money, instead of it controlling you. Over time, you will notice how your wealth increases due to planning and organization. The fourth mistake is relying on one source of income. The mistake that many people make is relying on one source of income. This is considered one of the biggest financial mistakes that prevents you from reaching wealth. If you only rely on your monthly salary, you are at the mercy of your job. People who have built enormous wealth have always had multiple sources of income, whether it is from investment, side projects, or even passive income. Practical advice. Look for additional sources of income. It could be a side project, real estate investment, or even creating content online. Take advantage of your skills. Do you have a specific skill that you can sell as a service or sell to others? Passive income. Look for ways to create sources of income that do not require daily effort, such as investments or projects that generate periodic returns. Diversifying sources of income gives you financial security and enhances your chances of success and achieving wealth. Mistake 5. Ignoring financial education. One of the mistakes that prevents you from building wealth is ignoring financial education. Some people think that money comes only with luck, but the truth is that financial success depends on knowledge and continuous learning. A financially successful person always seeks to learn more about money management, investment, and economics. Practical advice. Reading books. There are many great books that teach you how to manage money correctly. Training course. Take advantage of the free and paid training course to learn new financial skills. Practical application. Learning is not enough, but you must apply what you have learned in your financial life. The wealthy never stop learning. They know that knowledge is the power that gives them financial superiority. Mistake 5. Failure to make sound financial decisions. Making sound financial decisions is the key to building wealth. When you make financial decisions without thinking or planning, the results can be disastrous. People who achieve financial success always think strategically. Practical advice. Make decisions based on information before you invest or spend. Study the options carefully. Consult experts. If you are unsure about making a specific financial decision, do not hesitate to consult a financial expert, learning from mistakes. Everyone makes financial mistakes, but success comes from learning from those mistakes and avoiding repeating them. Now that you have learned about the common mistakes that prevent you from reaching wealth, take the time to avoid them and start building your wealth. Remember that financial success is not a quick process, but rather a journey that requires patience, learning, and planning. Don't forget to share the video with your friends and leave your comment about the financial difficulties you face. And if you are new here, don't forget to like and subscribe